Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Eos-err-1603 Epic Games. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to search Epic Games. Right click on the Epic Games launcher and select open file location. Right click on the Epic Games launcher and select properties. Select security tab. In this list, under group or usernames, select everyone and select the edit option and check this box guys, full control. Make sure the right is also checked over here. After that, select apply and OK for changes. Select this compatibility tab and checkmark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and checkmark disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for changes. Now launch the Epic Games and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type add or remove programs. Click on open it. Search Epic Games. Click on the three dot icon and select uninstall. After uninstalling Epic Games Launcher and Epic Games Online Service, you just need to open up browser and search Epic Games Launcher download. Select the first link. Select the download option and download the Epic Games Launcher. After getting download done, you can install it. After the installation done, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.